Today, we're diving deep into rumors surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series, particularly the mighty Ultra model. Let's get started. Samsung's Galaxy S phones are known for their premium design and distinct styles. The Ultra models typically sport a boxy design with sharp corners, while the regular S models have softer, rounded edges. However, things might be changing for the S25 Ultra. Reliable leakster Ice Universe suggests a significant design shift. The S25 Ultra could ditch the sharp corners for a more comfortable, rounded form factor. Imagine a phone that feels great in your hand without needing a case. This would address a common complaint about the S24 Ultra's design. It's important to note that details are still unclear. Will the entire phone have curved edges or just the corners? Only time will tell. Regardless, it seems Samsung is listening to user feedback and aiming to improve the S25 Ultra's ergonomics. This next rumor comes straight from Korea and might surprise you. There's a chance Samsung might include MediaTek Dimensity processors in the Galaxy S25 lineup, alongside the usual Snapdragon and Exynos options. This could potentially mean the S25 phones come in three processor variants: Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Samsung's Exynos 2500, and the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, rumored. So why the switch up? This move is likely connected to two factors: potential price hikes for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and production issues with Samsung's own Exynos 2500. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 reportedly costs around $190 to $200, but the 8 Gen 4 could jump to a hopping $260. On the other hand, the Exynos 2500 is currently struggling with low production yields, around 40%, falling short of the 60% needed for mass production. Samsung is aiming to improve this by August, but delays are always a possibility. With these factors in mind, including MediaTek as a third option makes sense. It provides diversification, potentially lowers production costs, and gives Samsung leverage when negotiating with Qualcomm. However, it's important to remember that this is just a rumor, and Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet. Now let's talk cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to pack a massive camera upgrade, courtesy of Ice Universe once again. Here's the breakdown: a monstrous 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and another 50 megapixel super telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This is a significant leap compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Most Android competitors are already utilizing 50 megapixel or higher sensors, while Samsung stuck with lower resolutions for its telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. Finally, Samsung seems to be catching up on the megapixel game. Additionally, the S25 Ultra should be able to record 8K video with all its rear cameras. That's some serious recording power. There are even whispers of a brand new 200 megapixel sensor potentially approaching the 1-inch size for the S25 Ultra. This could significantly improve low light performance and overall image quality. Information on the camera setups for the regular S25 and S25 Plus remains a mystery, but hopefully we'll hear more details in the coming months leading up to the early 2025 launch. That's all we have for today's S25 rumors. What are your thoughts on this potential design change and the rumored camera upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel for more tech news and updates. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this: a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GHz. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.